It's not only Maryland's most accurate weather team. Keep a close eye on the forecast.
Yeah, that's right. We know a lot of you are doing the same thing, not only watching, but getting out and making sure you're ready. ABC 2 News' Katrina Bush talked to people looking to get a little bit of jump on the crowds. They've been out there early, Katrina.
Yeah, Jamie and Kelly, I think it's safe to say the stores that we checked in on today will be a little bit more crowded as we get closer to that snowfall. But today it was a little bit easier for those shoppers to get in and get out. It's a little early to know exactly what will happen this weekend, but not too early to prepare for whatever comes our way.
I called the weather report and they said it could be a storm of, quote, monumental proportions.
So now Marilyn Marcus has her ice melt. It's one of the supplies employees at Ace Hardware in Waverly have seen people coming in for all day long.
Once people see a snowflake, they're going to start coming in a lot heavier. We've had lines for shovels and stuff before, so we get a lot of customers coming in at the last minute.
That last minute is what Kemet Kennedy was trying to avoid. He came in looking for some environmentally friendly ice melt to bring to his job. Well, getting ready is no problem. It's what we're getting ready for that has people on opposite ends of the spectrum.
I could live without it. I've had a couple years of heavy drifts, and I get the shovel out, so it's a lot of work on the back and the muscles.
I love the winter. I like it anyway. I grew up in Chicago, and snow is just part of the winter to me. And so it's not winter till it snows.
BG&E is monitoring the snow as it heads our way, mobilizing field and support crews in addition to their 3,200 employees.
Anytime, you see indications of, large amounts of potentially heavy, wet snow and also high winds. So that's where we're preparing for the possibility of outages in our service area, and we're asking customers to just be prepared for that.
The recommendation is to prepare with batteries, flashlights, and non-perishable items. And there were plenty of people packing by right on Bel Air Road, ready to stock their refrigerators, too.
I already had my coffee, so I have my milk, my cereal, my cream of wheat, my lunch meat. When you stay ready, you don't have to get ready.
Yep, that is definitely the key. Now, another big part of getting ready is having those important numbers handy. Now, if you do have a power outage, that number to report it to BG&E is 877-778-2222. Reporting live in Rogers Forge, Katrina Bush, ABC 2 News.